Joining us now, Union Minister Mr. L. Murugan. So thank you very much for your time. What is that one big push you would like to give to the Tamil Nadu fishermen, sir?
See, this our today our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi's birthday. So first time in the country after 70 years, first time for the special ministry given by our Prime Minister, and first time on budget under Atmanirbhar Bharat, 20,000 crore is invested in this field for the modernization of the harbors, fishing harbors, and modernized processing units, and also the ice plants. And our focus is to development the fisheries and as well as to export the fisheries to need of the other countries. So our coastal line and inner inland fisheries, very huge potential is there. That's why we are all to focusing in this fisheries. Apart from this, one already budget announcement for especially in Tamil Nadu. First time we are going to set up an seaweed park in Tamil Nadu. This no other state got. The first Tamil Nadu got this. Our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji is announced in the budget. The work is already started. The study is already started. That also we are going to launch very soon. And also these 5 modern harbors. Out of 5 modern harbors, one harbor is this Chennai fishing harbor. This also is going to international level fishing harbor.
These fishermen are expressing concerns about the provisions in the marine fisheries bill, particularly about criminalization and a very high fines.
See, the fine, you see, there is very, very, very less fine in this. You compare the state acts, whether Tamil Nadu or Kerala or wherever, whichever state, you can go a comparison. Our fine is very, 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 very less. If any act, some fine is there, we are consulting with the fishermen. Whatever the fishermen is giving feedback, we are taking the feedback. This bill still is in consultation.
Criminalization element?
Huh?
Criminalization.
See, it is not a criminalization. Why you are telling criminalization?
We are concerned about those elements.
We are taking criminalization for the foreign vessels. So foreign vessels we cannot allow. See, that our fishermen, I am concerning my fisherman. My traditional fisherman who has to be protected. I am concerning my traditional fisherman. So my concern is for protect my traditional fisherman. So that's why this bill is, we are bringing. This bill never hurt a single Indian fisherman and a single traditional fisherman.
Lastly, sir, the Tamil Nadu fishermen want a permanent solution for the Lankan Navy problem. Are you planning in terms of a long-term lease agreement there so that our fishermen can fish there?
See, that's all is there. See, after 2014, you divide this. Before 2014, what was the status? After 2014, what was the status? Under the leadership of our Prime Minister, after 2014, a single incident has not happened. A single
Yes, few have happened even.
Single firing was not happened. You see, before that, more than 600 deaths were there.
Right.
Now we are 7 years. We are in 7 years after 2014. 7 years, a single firing was not there. This is the concern of our fishermen. Our government is committed to save to our fishermen. Our Prime Minister is very well concerned about the fishermen's welfare.
Any provision for them to go and fish in their waters?
No, that we will discuss.
In Chennai with Suresh, Sam Daniel, Find It TV.